Welcome student. Last class we have discussed regarding the physical properties. Now we'll directly move forward. Chemical reactivity of what? Amines. Chemical reactivity of amines. Okay. In this, amines are having the nitrogen and as well as what hydrogen is present in the amines. In that, the large electron negativity difference. For example, nitrogen and hydrogen present in an amine. Here it's having lone pair, and hydrogen there is no lone pair, and it's a more electropositive, which is a more electronegative. Due to this electronegativity difference, amine reactivity is very high. Amine reactivity is very high. That's why in the first point regarding the chemical reactivity, what is that? Highest electronegativity difference between the nitrogen as well as hydrogen, so it is highly reactive with any nucleophile or electrophiles. Okay, now due to presence of unshared electrons in this amine, okay, RNH2 is present, there is a lone pair of electron, or we can say unshared electron. So due to presence of this, it can act as a nucleophile. Amines can act as a nucleophile. When the electrophile is come near to the amines, it will easily react. Okay, so it's called as in what? Nucleophile. Now we'll directly move for the different kinds of reactivity of amines. First we'll move for the basic nature of amines. How the basic nature is proved, ಹೇಗೆ prove ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ first ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. You know the basic character, acid versus base. For example, NaOH is in base. When it react to the acid, acid plus base, it always gives salt and water. Here also NaCl plus H2O will form. So we can say one is base, another one is acid. Same thing we can done for the amine also. Amine, we don't know, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ what is that. It may be basic or acidic. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Which reaction? This taken as one molecule, okay, one organic compound, then taken an acid which is known, okay, it is an acid. HCl is an acid. What may be the product will form when amine is react with the acid? It will obviously produce salt. Okay, amine salt will form. N substituted amines, we can say it is an N substituted salts of amines. Okay, and one more example. Now it is an alkyl. If it is alkyl halide react with the acid, it will form what? Salt. Okay, so it can form salt. That means what? This should be an basic in nature. One more example, we can take aniline. Okay, you can take aniline. Aniline also react with the HCl. HCl is an acid, aniline is an amine molecule. So formation of product should be what? Anilinium ion, or N substituted, or salt will form. It should be a salt. Salt can form in this reaction. So we can confirm one thing. What is that? This should be an base. ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ it can form salt. Okay, so from this reaction we understood what is that amine is in salt. Now we'll move for one more concept, okay, based on the equilibrium concept. Equilibrium ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, rate constant, equilibrium constant, acid, base, pH values and all. Here amines are salt react to the base. When these amines will react to the base, it can hydrolyze this molecule. It can hydrolyze the NH3Cl. It is a salt, N substituted ammonium salt. It will regains its original amine. ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಮೈನ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ soluble in water, but amines are insoluble in water. Amine salt can easily soluble in water. Why? Because it can undergo dissociation. Amine salts are soluble in water. And one more concept for basic nature, we can say what is that? In the term of what? electron pair ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು acid and bases. Which scientist will give the definition for acid base in the form of electrons? by Lewis. Okay, Lewis acid base concept. According to Lewis acid base concept, what it says, when electron donors are bases, electron acceptor are acids. Here also there is a presence of unpaired electron in a amines. It can donate, not gain. Okay, already electron present ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹೊರತು ಇನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್. ಸೊ according to Lewis, okay, Lewis concept, according to Lewis concept, what it says, amine is an basic in nature, and idakke sariyagi one more reaction, that is acid base concept. That is acid base concept. By the acid base concept we can easily identify amine is an basic in nature. Now move for some more extent agi discuss madidre, go for the Kb value and pH value, based on pH value, and you know the pH scale value from 1 to 14. Okay, 1 to 14, 1 to 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 7 is an acid, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು 7 to 14 is basic in nature. Here amine basicity also more than 7, more than 7. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ illustrate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು example ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. What is that? Amine is a reactant site. Consider amine is an base. Now amine is an base. Okay, when it react with water, you know water is an amphoteric in nature. It can act acid as well as base, acid as well as base. When this react with the amine, when water react with the amine, it will produce what? Salt. Okay, it will produce salt because it act as an acid now. It act as an acid now, and it act as an base now. From that too, Lewis concept as well as acid base concept, we can understood amine is an base. So it will produce RNH3 plus OH minus. And you know, in a product side, while writing the equilibrium constant, K is equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Here concentration of product side, just concentrate on concentration of product side. It having the OH minus as well as NH3, salt, one more salt. Here I'll write it in a numerator part. What about denominator part? That's the concentration of what? Reactant side. Concentration of what? Reactant side. Concentration of RNH2 into H2O. Or we can write K. K is an equilibrium constant. K is an equilibrium constant. From this we can get the acid base pH values and all. Okay, here we can rearrange this equation as like this. K into denominator part na iche ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುವ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ water concentration you know. Okay, water na concentration you can aqueous medium into 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So K into concentration of H2O, that's equal to concentration of product by concentration of reactant. So this is nothing but what? Kb. Why B represent basic in nature? Because there is an OH. There is an OH present in a reactant side. These two are we can regenerate. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ regenerate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದರ concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿನ changes ಇಲ್ಲ. Only concentration on what? OH minus ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ think ಮಾಡಿ, that is PKB. So OH concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ basic in nature, hydrogen concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ acidic in nature. ಅದನ್ನ represent ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ KB or KA ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So once you get the Kb value, from this we can easily get the Pkb value. You can easily get the Pkb value, and you know the concept of pKa plus pKb, that's equal to pKa plus pKb, that's equal to 14. You should remember. Okay, so from this, once you get this equation, we can easily say in the form of what? Kb value or Pkb value basis ಮೇಲೆ acid or base ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Acid or base. According to this equation, or analyzing from this equation, if the smaller value of Kb, Kb value should be smaller. Kb value should be smaller, or Pkb value should be smaller, or Kb value is higher. Okay, from these two data we can easily identify pH value of the amines. How? For example, I'll take pKb value. Okay, I'll take pKb value according to this equation. What it says, pKb value smaller idre, pKb value is smaller, that is an basic in nature, or kb value is higher, that's also an what basic in nature. Now I illustrate in case pKb value is 9. Okay, it's a higher value. Okay, pKb value is 9 and one more value, pKb value is 4. I took two values for what? pKb. Now substitute for this, 14 is equal to I'll consider pKb value is 9, pKa plus 9, then pKa value you will got, what is that? 5. Now once you get pKa value, from this we can easily get the pH is 5. Okay, so less than 7 is there, consider pH is 5, that's in acidic medium. So I told pKb value is smaller, second idರಲ್ಲಿ smaller value na ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ, what is that? 14 is equal to, I'll take pKa plus 4 from this pKa that's equal to 10. From this pKa value is that's equal to 10. When the pKa value is 10, that should be a basic in nature, because beyond 7 always that should be basic in nature. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, only this value pKb value basis ಮೇಲೆ acidic or basic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, understood this concept? I'll recall once again. What is that? You know the relationship between pK and pKb value that's equal to 14, or concentration of hydrogen plus and concentration of OH minus that's equal to 14. From this data adana rearrange madidre we will get from this. Okay, and according to this equation, pKb value is smaller, that's also basic in nature, kb value is higher, that's also basic in nature. I illustrate for this, what is that? pKb value smaller ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ pKa value that's equal to 10. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 10 ಬರ್ತದೆ. When the pKa value is 10, that should be more than 7. 7 is nothing but what? pH of an amine. So this can give the what idea regarding amine is an basic in nature. Okay, next reactivity, move for the acylation. Already we discussed the basic nature of amines. Okay, next we'll move for the acylation reaction. First you know the what is acylation. Acylation is nothing but what? Any bases, any nucleophile, when it react with the acid chloride, ester or acidic and like that anhydride molecules, that will produce what? Nucleophilic substituted product. Now we concentrate on amines. Amines react with the acid chloride. Acid chloride is nothing but RC double bond OCl. It is an acidic chloride, ester is nothing but RC double bond OR dash, that's an ester and acid. These two molecules are react with the amine, that is RNH2. Okay, RNH2. Now this is a nucleophile. This nucleophile will substitute it to acyl chloride, ester or anhydrides. Anhydrides are nothing but RC double bond C double bond R dash. Okay, this is an anhydride form. Okay, I'll write it all in a general formula. RC double bond C double bond R dash is an anhydride, acid chloride RCOCl, and RCOOR dash is nothing but ester. Any of these molecule will react with the amines to produce this substituted to that 3 molecules, that are nothing but acylation. In a replacement, in a acylation of what? Amine. Acylation of amines is nothing but replacement of hydrogen atom by acyl group. In this, which is an acyl group, we can generally say this group are nothing but acyl group. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ RNH2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದು RCO ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ an acyl group. Okay, replacement of acyl group. So this reaction is carried out in the presence of base. ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೇಸಿಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು. that basic base should be stronger than amine. It should be stronger than amine. amine ginta stronger base use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, like pyridine, okay, or NaOH. These are all stronger amines that should be used. All right, in a general formula for what? Acylation process. I'll write the general formula of acylation process. What is that? RNH2 is an amine. It may be primary or secondary, but tertiary is not possible. Tertiary is not possible. RNH2 is an amine. When this amine will react with the, now it is an acid chloride. Acid chloride in the presence of base. In the presence of base will produce RNHCOR, N substituted amides. N substituted amides. This formula is nothing but amides. These are what? Amides. Amide will be formed in this reaction. Okay, now we'll move for some more examples of what? Amides. We'll take a different, a particular example. You should remember the what? General example. R should be replaced by any molecules, alkyl or aryl group. Both are what? Can undergo or acylation process. Now we'll move for the examples of what? Acylation. Now I'll take in ethane amine. Ethane amine is an example. C2H5NH is an ethane amine. When this molecule is react with the acyl molecule, acyl acid or acid chloride. Now just see the mechanism part of this reaction. What is that? When ammonia or nitrogen having the lone pair of electron, that means it is an electron rich. And one thing you should remember, what is that? Acyl group carbon having always electropositive. Now we can say it is a delta plus. Okay, we can say it is a delta plus here, and which is an electron rich delta minus. You know the basic rules of charges. You know the basic rule of charges. What is that? When a negative part of an any molecule will attach to positive particle of an any constituent atoms or molecules. Here there is a lone pair of electron. It will easily attach to electropositive molecule. Electropositive molecule. In this acyl carbon having electropositive, at the same time what happens? Carbon having 4 bond only. When this electron comes to bonded with the carbon, again it will get 5 carbons. So there is a movement of an pi bond, because loosely held electron only present in a double bond carbon, it can easily move to more electronegative atom oxygen. We will get this complex. We will get this complex here, where the positive charge, where the negative charge will come. So carbon and carbon having 4 bonds, but nitrogen is a trivalency, it consists only 4 bonds. Now we will get the positive charge on what? Nitrogen. Why the positive charge will come? Because it will donate their electrons to carbon. ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this nitrogen will get the positive charge, and which is not stable. That means this bond will be cleaved. This bond will be cleaved. At the same time, these are oxygen having divalent, it required 2 bonds. So this electron will move here, and there is a good leaving group should be present in any molecule. Okay, there are 3 possibilities are there to cleave. Once this bond will come, again carbon will get 4 ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, only 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 5 ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, only 4 bonds should be present. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. which bond will easily cleave? Either this group or this group. Now methyl is in carbon bond should be strong, and which is a new bond. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ there is an element which can easily cleave, and you know this Cl as Cl minus. ಇದು Cl minus ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, when this Cl goes out as Cl minus, it required one more positive molecule, where it will obtain. Here we should satisfy the electron pair. So here to electron ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ hydrogen will become plus, that will taken by the Cl. So we'll get the product like this. Now it is an N substituted ethyl N-ethyl methanamide. N-ethyl methanamide. N-ethyl. N should be substituted with the ethyl. Amide should be the major functional group. N substituted methanamine is the product, along with the side product, that is HCl. Okay, understood this mechanism? Okay, I'll illustrate for one more example by the taking ester. Now it is an ester. Ester also undergoes what? Acylation process. Now again, it is in secondary amine, and first example should be the primary amine. Secondary amine yavade irli, there is what? Lone pair of electrons, but there is an hydrogen present irlebeku. Okay, should be an hydrogen present irlebeku. Idre matra it will undergo acylation, but tertiary it is not possible. Now the lone pair of electron will easily attach to electron deficient center in this ester, acyl or anhydrous. All are having what? C double bond O group. In this C double bond O group there is an electropositive. When this lone pair of electron will attach to what? Carbonyl carbon of ester, and it will form the complex like this. And here also, when two electrons are donated, it will get positive charge on nitrogen. And at the same time, carbon having 4 bonds, but when it attacks to carbon, it will get 5 here. So easily delocalization of pi bond like this. Okay, easily delocalization of pi bond towards more electronegative atom, that is oxygen, and it will get negative charge. Okay, for this what? Complex structure is not stable, so pi bond will regain to original position, and there is a good leaving group present in this molecule also, which is a good leaving group. Where the electronegative atom is present, that also may act as an what? Good leaving group. So OC2H5 is a good leaving group. It can easily cleave from this group. Okay, and this positive charge will nullify by the donation of electron from the hydrogen. By taking the electron from the hydrogen, now it becomes H plus. Okay, and there are 2 atoms are cleaved from this molecule. One is H plus and one more, that is OC2H5 minus. Why OC2H5 minus will get? Because it will take its electron towards more electronegative atom oxygen. Okay, these 2 are combined to form alcohol. So byproduct by the ester reaction, that is alcohol, C2H5OH. Okay, C2H5OH plus product should 10N diethyl methane amide is the product. In general we can say it's an amide. Now these 2 are what? Primary and secondary amine. Tertiary is not possible because there is no hydrogen atom present in the amines. Okay, next we'll move for the aryl group. Okay, and here amine can also react to the benzyl chloride. Now we'll take what? Methyl chloride, and we'll take benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride is nothing but C6H5 C double bond O Cl. Okay, instead of CH3 group, I substitute by benzene. So benzoyl amine, benzoyl chloride. Again, I'll write directly for the reactant as well as product. When these 2 electrons are attached to carbonyl carbon, Cl will eliminate it, and from this H will eliminate it. The side product should be HCl. And what is the major product for this reaction? That is N-methyl benzenamide. N-methyl benzenamide. Benzenamide is the major product in this reaction. This reaction is nothing but acylation. Here also base is required, and all reaction required basic in medium. Okay, basic medium present irlebeku for all the reaction. This base should be stronger base than the amine. Okay, so this is regarding the chemical reactivity. Some more reactivities are there that we'll discuss in the next session.